Welcome to the Gwinnett Technical College Library overview of the new Galileo Classic Search. Please begin by accessing the library's homepage through either the dashboard icon or the Blackboard link located under Announcements. Here is the library's homepage. At the top in the blue banner are several quick links. One to our research page, which has a list of the LibGuides by subject, the Galileo platform, and the library's catalog of holdings, both in print and online. Choose Galileo, the Georgia Library Learning Online platform. This site will provide you access to multiple databases at once. Today, we'll be demonstrating the new Classic Search. Type in your keywords and click the Search button. As you can see, there are a lot of results. Using the filter icons listed above will help reduce this number. Start with the full text. Then, using the all-time icon, you can filter by date range. The default is the past 12 months, past 5 years, and past 10 years. Let's choose the past 5 years. To further filter your results, click on the All Filters icon for the pull-out menu. From here, you can further filter by clicking the Peer-Reviewed option, choosing the Date Range option for a more custom date, choosing the Source Type option, which will let you limit by newspaper articles, academic journals, magazines, ebooks, and more, as well as language and geographical region. Let's choose academic journals. Once you've completed choosing your filter options, click the Apply Filter button. When your results are more defined, then you will want to begin opening the articles. There are multiple ways to do that. First is by clicking on the title of the article. This will open the bibliographic entry, which provides more information about the author, the source, and might provide an abstract or summary, as well as additional search terms for you to search by. Take note of the access icons at the top. This will take you to the full article. Let's go back to the results list. Our second option is the Access Now icon. This will bypass the bibliographic information and go straight to the article. And like the prior version of Galileo, there are a lot of things you can do from this page, such as download the article to your laptop, listen to the article. You can also save the article to the EBSCO platform as long as you created a username and password before starting your search. You can also cite the article. Please remember to use the pull-down option and choose the correct citation format. Many of our classes will use the APA or the MLA citation format. You can also share the article, either via email or by permalink. And as always, you can print the article if you wish. Once done, you can return to the results list by choosing the back button in the upper left-hand corner. The third option is the Access Options pull-down menu in the icon. This option will take you to the original database site in a new tab. These databases will provide saving and citation options as well. Please look around the page in order to find these services. To return to the original search screen, go back to the tab. This concludes our session for today. To learn more about the research process, please visit our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you, and have a great day.